Why is nobody replying to my UI UX job applications? No replies after sending your UX UI resume. Here is why. Hey friends, let me guess you have done your UI UX course, built 4 or 5 solid case studies and you made a portfolio. But still, when you apply to jobs, no one replies, no email, no calls, no feedback, just silence. Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will break down the real reasons why this happens and how to fix it. Let's get into that. Hi, I am Rambal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. Reason 1. Your resume is not ATS friendly. Most companies use ATS, that is Applicant Tracking System, a software that scans your resume before a human sees that. Already I talked about this topic in a very detailed manner, also how to build your ATS friendly resume. I shared the video link in the description, kindly check. Here I am going to share the key points for ATS resume. If your resume has tables or columns, too much design or graphics, fancy fonts or icons, then the ATS might not be able to read it properly. That means your application could be rejected before anyone even sees your work. So you can use a simple, clean one-column layout, use standard fonts like Arial or Calibri. Save as a PDF named properly like something like a rambal_UI_UX_resume.pdf. Reason 2. You are not matching the keywords. Let's say the job post asks for wireframing, usability testing, responsive design, Figma, Notion, Miro. But your resume just says that designed user interfaces for mobile apps. So you missed out on important key points the company is scanning for. So read each job post very carefully, match your skills and experience with the job's wordings. You can use the real keywords something like conduct usability testing, created wireframes in Figma, designed responsive web layouts. Reason 3. Your portfolio isn't easy to understand. Yes, you have 5 projects, but are they easy to follow? Hiring managers, they spend only 2 to 3 minutes on your portfolio. So if your case studies are too long, too technical, or look like a blog, they won't read it. You have to show your process in a very simple steps. Use headings, visuals, highlights. Focus on the problem that you solved, not just the final screen. Link your portfolio clearly on resume plus LinkedIn plus email. Reason 4. No customization. If you are sending the same resume and portfolio to every company, it's a red flag. Companies want to know why do you want to work here. Edit your summary slightly for each job. Add a line about why you like their product, domain or mission. Even a 10% customization increases your chances. Reason 5. Weak LinkedIn profile. Many recruiters check LinkedIn before they even open your resume. If your LinkedIn has no photo, no headline, no about section, no portfolio link, they may just move on. So you can use a very clean photo, headline something like UI UX designer, creating user-friendly digital experiences. About section with your story plus tools plus link to portfolio. Reason 6. You are applying without network. If you are only applying through job portals, you are missing out. In India, referrals still matter a lot. So connect with the designers on LinkedIn, share your projects regularly, ask for feedback, not jobs. Build a relationship first. Join design communities something like Design Barn, ADP List, 10K Designers, Discord communities. Reason 7. No call to action in your application. A lot of people end their cover letter with something like this, looking forward to hearing from you. So instead that you can try, I had loved the opportunity to walk you through one of my case studies. Or, my portfolio is linked below, happy to share more details over a quick call. So make it easy for them to reply and take the next step. Alright, final thoughts. So if you are getting no replies, don't feel discouraged. You may not need more projects. You just need to present your current work better, smarter, and in a way companies can quickly understand. So first thing is you have to fix your resume, tweak your case studies, polish your LinkedIn, and most importantly, keep applying, keep learning, and don't give up. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep designing and stay confident. You have got this.